Hey guys! So, welcome back. I got a little bit of a different angle today. I'm not sure how I feel, but today is a little bit different. You'll be seeing my beauty room tour. Now, it's not as crazy and extensive as some of them out there, but it's a start, and I'm actually really loving how it is right now. And how I have it set up. Obviously, we'll be adding to it over time, hopefully. But anyway, welcome to my beauty room. Welcome, guys! This is my beauty room slash bedroom because I only have one room. And there is my beauty corner. And this is my TV slash storage area. Yes, it's a PlayStation. There are my crystals that I have all set out. And my gallery wall that I started making when I was set up on that side. That's kind of hidden by my TV, but I do really love it. It's such a pretty one. There's an inspirational outfit. My little corner hanging plant that on the wall hanging I made. I love that one. I bought recently at a show, and all plants in my room are fake. I do not have a green thumb. And yes, that's a Harry Potter calendar. Don't judge. Okay, so the makeup. We've got some blushes here and some mascaras that I use all the time or that I love that are also starting to run out. And that is my concealer slash some foundations drawer and some powders on top, translucent powders, lipstick drawers, miscellaneous drawers, and those are my brushes and diffusers. I kind of wanted to change that up a little bit. I'm a little bored of it. That jar is actually from a wedding centerpiece. And there's my Herman Miller chair. There's a really sweet story behind that. And this is some of my skincare, guys. Some that don't fit in my Alex drawer. And coming up is one of my favorite exfoliators, a liquid one by Exfolikate, Kate Sommerville. It's so good, guys, especially. Even I've noticed for sensitive skin. And sorry about those wires. And this is my little setup. I've got my Jeffree Star mirror. I've got my steamer. I love that steamer. And here's my fridge. It's so cold in there, guys. It's so good. It feels awesome on the face. I'm always hot. A little made for the lake sticker. Here's the first drawer, guys. It's not organized. It's a mess, and I'm sorry. There's foundations in here, some primers, some eyebrow liners, some eyeliners, some mascaras, some lip glosses. There's everything. And that is my Damn Girl mascara. Is really, really nice. It's a good one. If you guys haven't tried it, please do. I'm sorry, I'm organizing as much as I can. Oh gosh. And that's the first drawer. Here is the eyelash and blush drawer with a little bit of storage. I have a lot of blushes, guys. I just realized that. My gosh, that's crazy. And I also have a lot of eyelashes I have yet to use as well, so I should probably get on that. I have some Velour Lashes, which are a majority of them. I love them so much. They're amazing. Some MAC lashes. I'm not in love with the band on those, so I don't wear them often. Lilly Lashes, which I also love. The Hollywood ones I haven't tried yet, but I'm excited. And I also have some Sephora Lashes as well. Again, not a fan of the bands, so I don't wear them often. Oh, I forgot my Nudies, my Nudestix, Sweet Peony. Peach, it's so good. I'm obsessed. I want more. They blend amazing too. And here is my highlight and bronze drawer. This one's a fun one. I've got so much fun stuff in there. I really like this drawer. I'm a highlight lover. And there's some ones that I'm going to show you. The Mother of Dragons palette is really pretty. It's one there that's not your, most go-to, but it's such a pretty pink highlight. They have some really nice highlights in there. And this one shines bright like a diamond, the Too Faced. Oh, it's such a, did you see that? Oh my gosh. That is for the highlighting queen, because that is a shiny one, guys. And we've got the eye drawer, eyeshadow drawers, and some other cool stuff that you have to stay tuned and look forward to. There's the James Charles palette underneath, the Hit the Lights palette, Blue Blood, Milani. We've got Too Faced, Urban Decay, James Charles, I've already said, Jeffree Star, and that Too Faced Peach palette actually smells like peaches. I love it. I kind of just want to eat it, but that would be bad. And this one here is the Sephora eyeshadow holiday palette. This one is super old and one of my first palettes I bought from Sephora, funny enough. And last but certainly definitely not least is my skincare drawer, guys. I love this drawer so much. I've got sheet masks galore. I'm obsessed with them, like literally obsessed. I have too many. And I have the Milk Cannabis Sativa face mask hydrating. This is really, really good, guys. You should try that out for sure. The Tata Resurfacing Serum is florally, but which I didn't think was going to go well for my skin, but it's beautiful. I actually really like it. I need to use more of it. The Dr. Jart Moisturizer, just a little mini guy. And then coming up is the Fresh Lotus Night Cream. I've used once and I actually really enjoy it. I need to use night creams more. So I gotta use that. This I'm really excited. The Youthquake Marc Jacobs, I absolutely need to dive into. I've heard so many good things. I don't know why I haven't tried it yet, but I'm planning on it. And that is it, guys. That's my little beauty corner. And there is a little other gallery, kind of rustic wall. And there we have it, guys. There is my beauty room and tour. Not as crazy as some of the other ones out there, but this is mine and it's new and we're building. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed coming along with me, and we'll see you soon. Okay, guys, and there we have it, guys. There it is. There's my beauty room and my bedroom, because I only have one room, so it's kind of how it is. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully be here with me as it grows. But I hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be forever grateful, and we'll see you guys next time.